welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 3A, Excel for the web. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, My IT Lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 3A, Excel for the web. Here is a project description. Here is a workbook I have downloaded from my IT Lab dashboard. The project description is, in this project, you will use Microsoft Office for web, Excel to create a pie chart similar to the one you created in project 3A. Here is the project description. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grades in all your assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, if necessary, display the classic ribbon as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbon arrow and click to display the up arrow that more commands display on the ribbon. The simplified ribbon display fewer commands and is useful when working on mobile devices. And question number 1 is simple. You will have to download this Excel workbook from my IT Lab dashboard. Now we will move to the main question. Question number 3 is, select cell C4, type this, select cell B4, type slash select cell B10 and then press F4 to make the cell reference absolute. Press enter to create a formula to calculate the percent of total fund expenditures. Select cell C4 and then fill the formula down through this cell C9. In this question, you will have to type this and select cell B4, type slash, then select the B10. In this question, you will have to calculate the percentage of total expenditures. In this cell, you will have to write a formula. In cell C4, you will have to write a formula B4 divided by B10. As you can see that the percentage of total expenditure are calculated. And press 4 for absolute cell reference. And press F4 for absolute reference. and then select cell C4 to fill the formula down to the cell C9. Simply you will have to drag this formula down to the last of the range. The total percentage of expenditures are calculated now. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, with C4 and C9 selected on the home tab in the number group, select percentage and then the alignment group, select align center. First we select the range C4 to C9 on the home tab in the number group, select percentage and then in the alignment group and center them. Select this range and then percentage and center align this. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, select the range A4 to B9 on the insert tab on the chart group, select pi and then select 2D point to chart. Hold down the left mouse button and then drag the chart so that its upper left corner is positioned in cell A12. Select the range. Go to the insert tab, then insert a pie chart. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grades in all your assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. You will have to drag the chart so that its upper left corner is positioned in cell A12 and centered below the data. Move to the workbook. We drag this chart to cell in cell A2 and centered below the data. Drag this chart and place in cell the upper left corner of this in cell A12 centered below the data. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, select the chart title and then press enter to display the edit title dialog box. If the necessary, select the text chart title, replace the selected text by typing adjusted expenditures and then select OK. In this question, you will have to change the chart title and replace with adjusted expenditures and paste this adjusted expenditures. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses in MyLab, IT, MyLab, Finance, MyLab, Accounting, MyLab, PowerPoint, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to contact me. And you can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.